Hey there, it's Walter Peters here from FX Jake, and you're here at the Daily Trader. I was talking to a student, an education student that I've been working with yesterday, and one of the things we were talking about was this open position ratios at Awanda. That link is below this video, but basically, we were talking about how I really like it when the open position on one side or the other, doesn't matter if it's a buy or sell, when we see that get around 85%, that means it's time to go with a minority there because you're in good company. And the reason why, of course, is that most retail traders don't do very well. In fact, they're usually making the wrong decision. And when all the retail traders pile in on one side of the wrong side, then it makes it really easy pickings if you go the other way. And this is exactly what happened the other day. Let me show you. This is silver here. And actually, that's what the chart was that you were looking at. This was the open position here for XAG USD. That's silver against the US dollar, obviously. And obviously, this is gold down here. Now, silver was slightly better than gold, and it still is. And so this is what it tells us, is that at this stage, and this is right here is the time when I was, actually, no. When we were looking at this, it was right here. Right here at this bounce, let me draw a line, so an arrow, so you can see it. So right here is when I was looking at, with my student, I was looking at that chart, and we were talking about the open position ratios. And Tony, if you're listening, that's when we were talking the other day. So when Tony and I were talking about open position ratios, I said, yeah, all of the traders, retail traders, are going long silver right now. And it was like 84.6%. And it's even more now. It's just broken 85. I like to see it break 85. Anywhere around 85 to 90 is a great, if you can get 90, that's quite rare. But if you can get 90, you're in a good position. So basically, everyone was going long silver here. And it went up about 50 cents or so. Well, since then, it's actually fallen 50 cents. So you can see it's down 36 now. So you can see that at this stage, when all the traders are thinking, okay, it's going to double bottom here and we're going to go, it broke through. And in fact, if we change this up and look at a daily chart, you could make the case that as a naked trader, the most likely settling point, the next settling point is 29.90. So it still has a long ways to go, another 50 cents or so to go to get down there. So it's an important tool to remember. You're not always going to get it. It's not all the time. You can change. You can have all of the pairs shown here, and you can see that still of all the pairs here, the one that is the most one-sided is silver. And the rules are, of course, when we see all the traders on one side, we get on the other. So everyone here is long silver. We short it. This over here, the Euro Aussie, that's not good enough. It's 75% on one, 73.85%. That's not good enough. You really want to see 85 plus, and you'll have to wait until you get it. But when it shows up, it's absolutely great, obviously. And this is just showing it the other way, where you have the smallest number of longs up here and the largest number of longs down here. So you can just change it up like that. I hope you enjoy the open position ratio tool. It's an excellent tool that you can really only get at Awanda, which is unfortunate, but it gives you a good idea of what the retail market's doing, because Awanda is a large broker and has many, many, many accounts. I wish you very happy trading, folks, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.